Wonder Tales.
Rivet and Corellia didn't just play outside, they planned outside. With every scrap of cardboard and coil of rope, they were building the Odyssey 2, the greatest, fastest, and most comfortable spaceship in the entire neighborhood. Navigation systems check, Corellia said, tapping her finger on a control panel made from an old keyboard. The trajectory to the red planet is locked. Rivet, are the boosters ready for launch? Rivet, who was the chief engineer, gave a thumbs up from the cockpit, which was an upside-down laundry basket. Boosters a go, Captain Corellia. Next stop, Mars! They counted backward from 10, held their breath, and then, whoosh! The Odyssey 2 didn't just leave the backyard. It sailed past the clouds and into the inky black of space. Corellia looked out the window, a hole cut in the box, and gasped at the swirl of earth below. Soon, a deep orange glow appeared ahead. Mars! It looked exactly like the picture in Rivet's science book. A dusty, silent, magnificent marble floating in the void. Landing sequence initiated, Corellia called out. The Odyssey 2 touched down with a gentle thump on the rust-red soil. The air was thin, the silence was vast, and the ground felt springy under their boots. They hiked up a small sandy dune, and that's when they saw them. Not little green men, but tall, shimmering creatures made of pink and purple crystalline rock. They were Martian gems, and they were giggling. One of the Martian gems, who introduced himself with a chime as Micah, floated over. "Welcome, travelers! We watched your approach from the great volcano caldera. You have very good cardboard." Corellia pulled out a shiny, foil-wrapped granola bar. "Would you like a snack?" Micah tilted his crystalline head. "Thank you, but we only eat light and sound. It tastes like a rainbow after a storm." After collecting a jar of red dust and taking a picture, the friends waved goodbye to the Martian gems. The Odyssey 2 soared home, its mission a success. Rivet and Corellia knew the best adventures weren't just found in books, but in the magic of two best friends.